Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the Power BI licensing deck, a simple way to understand how Microsoft Power BI works, what licenses are available, and how to choose the right one for your organization. Whether you're running a nonprofit or a small business, this guide will help you make sense of all the options. Power BI is part of Microsoft's data analytics family and is designed to help you make smarter, data-driven decisions. We'll cover what each version does, from the free tools all the way up to the advanced features available in Microsoft Fabric. Let's start with an overview of the Power BI license options. Power BI comes in a few flavors: free, pro, premium per user, embedded, and fabric capacity. The main difference is how they're licensed. Some by user, others by capacity. For example, Pro is licensed per user at about $14 a month, while Fabric and Embedded are licensed by capacity, which means you're paying for the amount of compute power and storage your organization uses. Power BI Desktop is the starting point for most people. It's a free app that you can install on your computer to build dashboards and reports. You can use it completely offline and even share your PBX files with others. No license required. However, if you want to publish your reports online to share them with your team, you'll need at least a Power BI Pro or a premium per user license. Now let's talk about the free license. The Power BI free license lets you explore the Power BI service, but only within your own workspace called My Workspace. So you can create reports, you can view your own data, but you can't really share or collaborate with others. It's great for individuals or nonprofits that just experiment with Power BI before committing to a paid plan. Power BI Pro is where teamwork starts. With a pro license, you can create, share, collaborate on dashboards, reports across your organization. Everyone who needs to view or interact with shared content will also need a pro license. So unless your organization uses premium capacity, which we'll get to soon, it's included in Microsoft 365 E5 plans, or you could buy it separately for $14 per user each month. You could think of Fabric as an all in one platform for data analytics. Instead of juggling separate tools for data storage, reporting, and AI, Fabric brings them all together in one unified experience. It connects everything from your data lake to your Power BI reports and is even powered by AI through Microsoft Copilot. Fabric works on two main ideas: compute and storage. Compute is your processing power, the engine that runs your analytics. Storage is where all your data lives inside something called Onelake. The beauty of Fabric is that everything shares the same foundation, so it's simpler to manage and scale at your organization as your organization grows. Here's where Fabric really shines with the simplicity. So instead of buying separate compute power for every tool you use, Fabric gives you one shared pool of resources. You only pay for the compute and storage you actually use, and you can scale up or down anytime. That means less time managing resources and more time focusing on insights. So Fabric capacity is basically the power behind all your data workloads. It gives you flexible capacity units that can be used for anything: Power BI reports, data warehouses, data engineering, and more. You get transparency through a dashboard that helps you monitor your usage and costs, so you can always know what you're paying for and how to optimize your capacity. Fabric capacity pricing depends on how much compute power you need. Smaller organizations might start with an F2 or F4 capacity, while larger ones could go all the way up to F10, 24 or beyond. Prices vary by region, but Microsoft offers big savings if you choose a 1 year reservation instead of paying as you go. And remember, if you're publishing Power BI content to Fabric, your creators still need Power BI Pro licenses. So, how does compute actually work in Fabric? Everything runs on capacity units or CUs. Think of these as the horsepower behind your analytics. The more complex your reports or data reports, the more capacity you'll use. Each part of Fabric, like Power BI, Spark, or the data warehouse, consumes compute differently, so your overall cost reflects how much processing you're doing. Microsoft Fabric also includes Copilot, your AI assistant for data. So, Copilot can help you analyze data faster, build reports automatically, and even generate insights in plain language. It's available for organizations that have Fabric capacity of F64 or higher, or Power BI Premium P1 and above. So, Copilot is still in public preview, but it's already changing how people interact with data. Let's move on to Onelake, the storage side of Fabric. Onelake is like the OneDrive for all your data. It's a single unified data lake that automatically comes with every tenant. You can bring in data from multiple sources while having to copy it all over, which saves both time and money, and is built for security, governance, and easy access all in one plan. Finally, let's look at One Lake pricing. Data storage is charged by the amount you store, about 2 cents per gigabyte each month, depending on your region. There are a few extra costs for backend or caching, but overall, it's designed to be affordable and scalable. This means your nonprofit or small business can safely store growing amounts of data without breaking the budget. So Microsoft is retiring the old PSKU premium capacities and moving everything to the new Fabric SKUs. So don't worry, nothing will break or disappear. You'll simply move to Fabric when it's time to renew your subscription. So here's the timeline. The new sales for premium capacity ended January the 1st, 2025. Renewals will end January the 1st, 2026, and by 2028, all customers will be fully transitioned to Fabric. If you're wondering how the old premium capacities map to the new Fabric ones, here's a quick breakdown. For example, Power BI Premium P1, which had 8 virtual cores, now lines up with a Fabric F64 capacity. P2 maps to F128, P3 maps to F256, and so on. So when you migrate, you'll just reassign your workspace to the new Fabric SKU, and the new system is simpler. It gives you more flexibility and even offers pay as you go pricing options. So premium per user gives you all the features of the Power BI Pro plus advanced AI big data prep, enhanced data management, and it's perfect for organizations that want premium capabilities without managing capacity. It's affordable. It's around $24 per user per month, or even less if you already have a pro license. So PPU is ideal for small to medium sized teams who want premium features like the paginated reports or faster refresh rates. If you're a nonprofit department and only a few staff need advanced reports, PPU gives you that power affordability, and is also great for large organizations that want premium features and specific teams without upgrading everyone. So there are two versions of PPU, a full standalone license for $24 per user per month, or an add-on for $10 if users already have Power BI Pro or Microsoft 365 E5. This flexibility makes it easy to mix and match based on who needs advanced capabilities, and it's available for commercial, government, and education customers. So if you're working in a pro workspace, only users with a pro or PPU license can collaborate. So, but if your workspace is hosted on Fabric capacity, you can share content with users who don't have a license. That's great for nonprofits who want to share dashboards with volunteers or board members without extra costs, or small businesses who might just want to share something with contractors. Say you have 100 users, half create reports, half view them. You also want premium features like AI. You'll license all 100 users with PPU at $24 each. So that'll run you around $2,400 per month. So it's simple and powerful for smaller teams. If you already have 200 users with Power BI Pro and want premium features, just add the PPU add-on for $10 per user. That's about $4,800 a month, and easy upgrade for growing organizations. And if your business already uses Microsoft 365 E5, which includes Power BI Pro, but only one department like HR needs premium features, just buy the add-on for those 100 users. You'll get advanced analytics while paying for all 5,000 employees. It's just smart and more scalable. Power BI Pro gives you essentials, sharing, collaboration, and up to 1 gigabyte per model with 8 refreshes daily. Premium per user increases that to 100 gigabytes and 48 refreshes plus advanced AI. So Microsoft Fabric takes it further with even larger capacities and the ability to share reports with anyone, so licensed or not. Power BI Embedded lets you add interactive dashboards into your own website or app. For example, a nonprofit can embed donor reports into a member portal. It's built based on Azure capacity, and it doesn't require individual user licenses for viewers. So embedded uses Azure ASKUs built hourly based on your capacity. You can scale up or down depending on the traffic. These features also included in Premium and Fabric, so no need for separate license if you're already using them. So if you're building a small custom app with embedded dashboards and don't need premium features, choose an Azure embedded ASKU. You only pay for the compute you use, keeping costs predictable. For larger setups needing collaboration, external sharing, or advanced Fabric features, go with a Fabric capacity SKU. It gives you embedding plus full analytic capabilities all in one plan. Power BI Report Server is the on premise version, perfect for organizations that need to keep data in house for compliance. It requires SQL Server Enterprise with software assurance and a Power BI Pro license to publish. Great for business handling sensitive data. Well, that's a wrap. We covered all the Power BI licensing options from free and pro to premium per user embedded in Microsoft Fabric. I hope this helped make things clearer and showed you how to choose the right setup for your organization. If you're a nonprofit or a small business looking to use Power BI or Microsoft 365 to simplify how you manage and understand your data, I'd love to help. You can reach out to me, Erica Leverson, at EDL Investments, or visit my website at www.edlinvestments.com for more information. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.